And viewers, Times Now has accessed details of the Inquiry Commission's investigation. The panel is likely to record statements of first responders. They will meet the Commissioner of Delhi Police. They will also meet the fire chief. As per sources, the three-member panel spent 45 minutes at Justice Varma's residence. In fact, the Inquiry Commission visited the outhouse as well as the storage room where fire broke out on 14th of March. Let me straight away go across to my colleague Bhavtosh joining us on the broadcast for more on this. We have my colleague Pragya as well live with us. But Bhavtosh, to you first. Give us more details about this 45-minute visit of this SC-appointed three-member panel to Justice Varma's residence a short while ago.
Well, the team came here at around 1 p.m. and they stayed here till 1:45 p.m. And if I can ask my video journalist Shamim to show the house of Justice Varma, they came inside and they in fact visited the spot, also the storage room where the fire broke out. And they, according to sources, they have said that they will be meeting the Commissioner of the Delhi Police as well as the fire chief. Now, importantly, there has been no FIR that has been filed. But Hina, the most important thing, or one can say what is very ambiguous as far as this case is concerned, is the fact that on 15th of March, what sources have said is that the cash, part of the cash or the cash that was found in the jute sack, there are allegations that some of the cash could have been allegedly removed. That is an allegation that has been denied by both the sides, by the law enforcing agency as well as Justice Verma. Justice Verma has completely dissociated himself with the cash, and the Inquiry Commission has in fact met him. They have also visited the spot. The phones of the first responders, including the 5 police personnel, have already been preserved by the Delhi Police, and it could be possible that their statement would also be recorded. So in total, 15 to 20 people's statement would be recorded. There is no deadline that has been fixed for the Inquiry Commission to record, to submit a report, but quick, fast developments have taken place once the Inquiry Commission was set up, and they also accepted the guidelines that have been set up for them. So one can expect the Inquiry Commission to in fact immediately carry out the investigation. This now is the investigation that has started, though no FIR or criminal complaint has been filed, and there have been allegations that have been leveled by all the sides, judiciary as well as by the various bar association. This is the first time that they have reached the residence. There has been several allegations that have been leveled both by by individuals who have said that there should be a thorough probe, there should be an FIR, but that has not happened. But for the first time, we have seen the Inquiry Commission reaching here, spending nearly an hour here, and then they left from here. One can expect them to further carry out the investigation in next few days.
Well, absolutely. An important update coming in as far as this cash row is concerned. And as Bhavtosh was telling us, the three-member panel spent around 45 odd minutes at the residence of Justice Varma. Statements of 15 to 20 people could be recorded, and they are going to be extremely important, especially those of first responders. Because remember, viewers, in this case, there has been a flip-flop as well, especially by the Delhi Fire Services chief. So there is a lot. It's a curious case of cash, and we all want to know what really happened because of the flip-flop in the statements that has come in. Bhavtosh and Pragya, requesting both of you to stay on with us. There are more updates in this story, viewers. The Delhi High Court, remember, with immediate effect withdrew judicial work from Justice Yashwant Varma until further orders, and subsequently a Supreme Court collegium transferred him to his parent Allahabad High Court. And hours after the Supreme Court notified the transfer of Justice Yashwant Varma, the Allahabad High Court Association announced indefinite strike from March 25, which is today. Remember, when this story was broken, Allahabad High Court Bar Association opposed the transfer, saying that Allahabad High Court is not a trash bin. And today, there were protests by members of Allahabad High Court Bar Association.